Halloween is my favorite time of year. I look forward to decorating my home inside and outside. I'm so excited to show you my Lemax Halloween villages this year. They're filled with so many new collectibles, including 6 new Lemax pieces that you can only find at Michael's. My favorite part of the season is always waiting to see which new collectibles come out, and planning which ones I want to add to my collection. These spooky good collectibles have such amazing detail, vivid lights, sounds, and animation to help set the scene. Let me show you all the things I could not leave in the store. My first village captures the whimsical feeling of Halloween. Prepare to be amazed as Esmeralda the Great casts her spell nightly to make a body rise in and out of a coffin. This is the centerpiece of the village. Then I added Meow Mansion, the home of scary cats. The glowing eyes of the big black cat lets you know you're in the right place. Stop by Helga's Hats, a bewitching shop for all the good witches to pick up new hats, socks, brooms, potions, and more. As a finishing touch, I added the Apparition Academy and the Pumpkin Tree House. The second village is spine-tingling and spooky. The star of this scene is the Isle of Creepy Jacks, home of eerie and menacing pumpkins and pumpkin-head creatures featuring a giant jack that emits fog. And then we move on to the Witching Hour, a house with witches flying high around the clock tower with a working astronomical clock. Don't miss the witch stirring a glowing cauldron. And it wouldn't be spooky without a haunted hotel. Check into the Horrid Haunted Hotel, where sinister and ghostly figures welcome you, but make checkout hair-raising. But there's more. The Skull and Rose Tattoo Studio and the Ghostwriter's Antique Bookstore add a chilling touch. Looks so realistic, right? The secret is both villages are built on a Lemax display platform. You can use it as a single layer or stack it to add height to your village. Once all the buildings are placed, I add moss and rocks to fill in the gaps. It's easy to make a spooktacular scene anywhere in your home. I picked up these exclusive Lemax collectibles, platform, and all my supplies at Michael's. You can shop online or stop by the store.